Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the system registry contains invalid file paths. Alright, let's begin. Alright, so what we need to do is head over to search, type in cmd, right-click command prompt, and run it as administrator. And then from here, we want to type in sfc, then space and / scan now, then hit enter. This is probably going to take around 5 minutes to complete the scan. So I'm going to skip this part and then get back to you once the scan is complete. And now from here, what we want to do is close out of this and click on search and then type in create and format hard disk partitions. So click into that. Now on my machine, it doesn't say system reserved down here, but on your machine, it should say system reserved. So it'll be like one of these, but named system reserved. Alright, so what we need to do here is right click on it and then click on change drive letter and paths. Make sure you clicked on system reserved. So from here, we want to go ahead and remove that drive letter. So click on it, remove, then click OK. Restart your computer and it should fix the system registry contains invalid file paths error. So that's basically how you can fix the system registry contains invalid file paths. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.